Razer Wolverine V2 wired controller with mecha tactile buttons, 2 remappable buttons launched. Razer Wolverine V2 wired controller for the Xbox Series SX has been launched. It offers some customizations like Microsoft's Elite controller but comes at a cheaper price. The Wolverine V2 has an ergonomic design with non-slip rubber grips. Razer says the L-shaped hand grips offer more support for your hands, as well as easier access to the bumpers and triggers. Razer also says that its mecha tactile action buttons and D-pad give gamers a more responsive feel. Razer Wolverine V2 price. The Razer Wolverine V2 is priced at $99.99, roughly 7,400 rupees, and is available for purchase in the US through Razer's website. It comes in a single black color option. Razer Wolverine V2 specifications, features. The Razer Wolverine V2 wired controller has a similar button layout as a regular Xbox controller with asymmetrical joysticks, UBC buttons, an Xbox logo that lights up and 2 extra buttons next to the D-pad. The buttons and the D-pad use Razer's mecha tactile action buttons and mecha tactile D-pad that have a 3 million tap life cycle. They also have a reduced actuation distance of 0.65 mm, Razer says. The left and right triggers come with trigger stops and a hair trigger mode. You get a 3.5 mm audio jack for connecting wired headphones, which works on both Xbox and PC. The Razer Wolverine V2 weighs 274 grams. There are 2 remappable multifunction buttons next to the triggers and bumpers as well. The Razer controller setup for Xbox can be used to remap these buttons. The software also allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the thumbsticks. The Razer Wolverine V2 wired controller works with the Xbox One, Xbox Series SX, and PC. The D-pad and the thumbsticks are not interchangeable, unlike with the Microsoft Xbox Elite controller. Razer also says that the angle of the L-shaped hand grips provides more support and allows for easier access to the bumpers and triggers. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.